Every roasted peanut snack begins with a harvest rooted in the soil.
The peanuts are arranged for natural field drying.
Careful drying prepares the crop for efficient collection.
Moisture levels determine the perfect time to collect the harvest.
The harvest begins as machines gently pull peanuts from the ground.
Each plant carries clusters of peanuts ready for drying.
Specialized harvesters separate peanuts from the plants. Airflow and screening remove unwanted field material. Harvested peanuts are gathered for transport from the field.
Every load is prepared for its journey to processing.
Harvested peanuts are assembled before entering the supply chain.
The journey from field to factory is now underway. Multiple harvests converge toward a single destination. Efficient logistics keep processing lines supplied without interruption. Documentation ensures traceability from field to factory. A modern facility awaits the incoming harvest. For the first time, the harvested peanuts enter the heart of the processing facility.
The harvested peanuts begin their journey through the factory. Behind these walls, raw harvests become finished snack products. The receiving hall serves as the gateway to production.
Automated transport systems move peanuts efficiently through the facility. Storage systems balance supply with processing demand.
Continuous monitoring keeps production running smoothly.
Digital systems coordinate every movement inside the plant.
Precise flow control prepares the crop for processing.
Infrastructure supports every stage of production.
The peanuts now enter the first stage of preparation.
Elevated transport systems maintain a continuous product flow. Controlled feeding ensures consistency throughout production. The transformation starts with the removal of everything nature left behind.
Layered screening improves the purity of every batch. Air separation removes materials too light for mechanical screening. Dust control protects both product quality and workplace safety. Every stage increases product cleanliness before processing.
The cleaned crop advances toward more precise sorting technologies. Vision systems inspect thousands of peanuts every second.
Only selected peanuts continue to the next stage.
Size classification ensures even processing and roasting performance.
The highest quality peanuts are prepared for transformation. Cleaned, graded, and selected, the peanuts are now ready for processing.
Continuous measurement supports production accuracy. Automated lifting systems maximize factory efficiency.
The selected peanuts now enter the heart of processing.
Controlled feeding keeps production stable and efficient. Accurate flow rates support consistent processing quality.
Shelling reveals the kernels that will become finished snacks. Precision machinery balances efficiency with product protection.
Uniform product presentation is critical for accurate sorting.
Automated analysis detects defects faster than manual inspection. Blanching prepares the kernels for skin removal. Precision air jets remove defects without slowing production.
The product is ready for the most automated stage of production. Carefully controlled heat loosens the outer skins.
Inspection confirms readiness for the next stage. Uniform sizing promotes consistent roasting results.
The peanuts are now prepared for their defining transformation.
The next step will unlock flavor, aroma, and texture. The transformation from raw peanut to roasted snack is about to begin.
Heat begins the transformation that defines the final snack.
Carefully controlled temperatures build consistency from kernel to kernel. Color and aroma begin emerging throughout the batch. Digital monitoring ensures every kernel receives identical treatment. This stage develops the flavor consumers recognize instantly.
Roasting is complete, but the process continues.
Temperature control protects both flavor and shelf life. Every batch is verified before flavoring begins. From here, automation takes control with remarkable precision. Every second of production is measured and verified.
Smart routing maintains efficiency across the facility.
Buffer systems stabilize production during constant operation. Controlled dosing ensures consistency from line to line.
Only approved product proceeds through the line.
Every production batch is verified before reaching consumers. Accurate sampling creates reliable testing results.
Moisture levels play a critical role in texture and shelf life.
Real-time visibility keeps the operation synchronized. Precise control prepares the product for final refinement.
The final steps focus on perfection before packaging.
A final cleaning step enhances presentation and consistency.
Final verification confirms the results of every previous step.
Finishing equipment perfects the appearance of the final snack. The finished peanuts are now ready for packaging preparation.
Balanced product flow supports uninterrupted production. Accurate portioning begins before the first package is filled.
Precision weighing ensures consistency across every snack pack.
The product is now positioned for final quality verification.
Before packaging begins, quality must be confirmed once more.
Visual consistency reflects the effectiveness of processing. Flavor performance must match product specifications.
Food safety remains a constant priority throughout production.
Comprehensive testing confirms production standards. Only verified batches are approved for packaging.
The finished peanuts are cleared for consumer packaging.
The final chapter begins as the product enters its package.
After passing every test, the peanuts finally enter their package.
Secure sealing preserves quality from factory to consumer.
Every package must meet the same exact standard. Weight verification confirms packaging accuracy.
Individual packs are prepared for larger retail shipments.
Secondary packaging organizes products for distribution.
Palletizing transforms cartons into warehouse-ready loads.
Finished products enter the final storage stage.
Inventory is organized and tracked for efficient distribution.
Orders are prepared for delivery to retailers and consumers.
And this is how modern factories produce raw peanuts to roasted snack packs from start to finish.